So I wanted to show you guys this Lian Li Strimer that I just got. So this is a PCIe GPU extension, and it's got this RGB cover on it. It's actually really cool because it's got a lot of LEDs. It's got 108 LEDs. So this would be, these look like cables. Each of these is a pair. So it's 4 by 27. So that's a lot of LEDs. And then it's got this sort of proprietary connector that comes with it. And that's meant to plug into an included RGB controller. But it's actually not included with this. It's included with the 24-pin ATX extension. You have to buy that separately. But anyway, what they include is this adapter to let you control it from your motherboard. Problem with it is, see, this has 6 pins and this has 3. So the way this works is you have power and ground on the outside and then data or the 4 in the middle. If you look at this PCB up closely, what you see is that those 4 pins actually merge into 1. So this is really a 4-to-1 splitter. So you can use this from a motherboard RGB controller, but now instead of being 4 by 27, it's 1 by 27. So now all 4 of these pairs has to light up the same. So it really takes away from the capabilities of this. And you could buy the Lian Li controller, but the effects that they give you are sort of limited. But what I'm going to do is I'm going to show you, I have this configured with the Fire 2012 effect. This is a custom designed PCB. This is an ESP32 development board. So I have FastLED. I have some, I guess you would call it C++ code that uses the FastLED library to produce these RGB effects. So plug this in and show you. Whoops. Okay. So we got a fire effect right here, even though the color on my phone camera is really, really awful. So you could see that's a cool effect, but it's basically 27 lines instead of a proper 4 by 27 matrix. So what I'm going to do, I don't want to put in the work to design a new circuit board. I'm going to use this existing cable right here and this connector, and I'm going to solder a 4-pin fan connector or fan cable onto this thing right here. So we're going to take the middle 4 pins and use a 4-pin connector, and then hopefully we'll be able to, well, I'll disconnect this and show you. With that 4-pin connector, each of these is one of the digital pins from this ESP32. So with the fan connector, I'll be able to put it over 4 of these pins, and then I'll be able to program it so that each of those 4 pins is independent, and I'll be able to produce matrix effects on this Strimer.